Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you that how much it will cost for installing the PVC wall panels and the best brands for PVC panels and where we can use these panels and what are the advantages and the types of PVC panels. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. So first we understand the advantages like PVC panels can be used in interior walls, ceilings. PVC panels are the 100% waterproof and rust proof, and it has some best advantages that it has PVC panels are budget friendly, PVC panels are easy to install, and it has more varieties and colors options available. These PVC panels are easy to clean, and even it is best for the damp walls, and you can also no need to apply the paint or putty to install it. So now we will know that how much it will cost for installing the PVC panels. So let me take some example. If you want to install like 12 by 12 area, so if you multiply this 12 into 12, the area of the wall will come 144 square feet. So now we will know that how much materials required. So we are considering the super heavy panels of 6 mm thickness. The standard size of one PVC panel is 10 feet into 10 inch. So it totally, if you divide this, the one PVC panels cover 8.33 square feet area. So to install 144 square feet wall, we require 18 PVC panels, and one panel price is 390 rupees. And so if you will multiply this 390 rupees one panel price into the total number of panels required, which is 18, so the total panels price will be 7020 rupees. And to install you require the corner PVC putty, which require 4 numbers, and one putty price is 120 rupees. So if you will multiply with the 4 numbers, the corner putty price is 480 rupees. And to install for fitting you require some adhesive, which we will take 150 rupees. So now we will add all these materials, PVC panels plus corner putty plus adhesive. So if you'll add all these things, like 7020 rupees for PVC panel, 480 rupees for corner putty, and 150 rupees for adhesive, the total price is 7650 rupees for materials. And now we will calculate the labor rate. So the labor charges for fitting the one panel is 130 rupees. That means if we divide with the one panel size, it comes 15 rupees per square feet. So if we'll multiply that total number of panels required into one panel price of labor rate, so which comes 18 into 130 is equal to 2340 rupees. So for the total comes is materials plus labor rate, which materials price is 7650 rupees plus 2340 is labor rate. So it total comes 9990 rupees for installing the PVC panel for one wall, which is the area is 144 square feet. This price is for the super heavy PVC panels installation cost. So friends, now I will going to tell you which are the best brands of PVC panels. Like first one you have Sunbeam, second is V2 Industries, third one is SSC Global, fourth one is Goel PVC, fifth one is the Rayan. So these are the best brands for PVC panels in India. So friends, but while installing the PVC wall panels, you should consider some important points like the wall surface should be clean, smooth and dry before installation. So if there is any issue such as dampness, crack or unevenness, to avoid compromising the installation durability of the panels. And always choose the quality of panels, choose high quality PVC panels with good impact resistance and UV stability, especially if they will expose to the live sunlight. Check the thickness, weight and warranty of the panels to ensure the long lasting performance. Decide whether to use adhesives, nails or screws depending on the wall, material and the panel type. Ensure you have the necessary tools and expertise for a seamless installation or a hire professional if required. PVC panels are low maintenance, but ensure the chosen panels can withstand regular cleaning with mild detergent without damage. And most important part is the cost. So compare the cost of PVC panels to other materials like wood or tiles to ensure it fit in your budget. So factors in installation cost includes the labor, tools and adhesive. Also consider the lifespan of the panels and ease of replacing damaged sections. Option for panels with warranties for added peace of mind. So explore the wide variety of colors, patterns and textures available to match your preference. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to install the PVC wall panels and which are the best brands. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.